Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a blog on Shopify in 2025. If you're running an online store and want to start sharing updates, style tips, or stories with your audience, this is a fantastic way to build your brand and connect with your customers. By the end of this video, you'll have a perfectly integrated blog section in your Shopify store, ready to share all your amazing content. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Shopify dashboard and look for content. This is where all the magic happens for blogs and articles. Once you're inside, click on Blog Posts. It's the spot Shopify designed specifically for you to add, edit, and organize all your blog entries. You'll see the option to create a new post. Go ahead and click that. Here, we're going to add our title. Let's say you're launching a clothing brand and want to focus on t-shirts for your first blog post. Enter your title, something like Our Top Picks for 2025 T-Shirt Trends. Your title isn't just the first thing people see. It sets the tone for your article and is great for SEO, so make it catchy and descriptive. Now, Shopify makes it even easier with its built-in text generation tool. You'll see a Generate Text button. Click it, and in the prompt, just type something like T-shirt blog post. Give it a second, and Shopify will craft a post draft for you. This automated tool saves time. And if you're new to writing, don't worry. It gives you a solid foundation that you can tweak and personalize. Feel free to adjust the language, fit your brand voice, and add any specific details that matter to your audience. Next, let's make your content interactive. Scan your post and look for a spot where it mentions either clothing or t-shirt. Maybe it's in your opening paragraph or in a highlighted section. Select that text. Then find the hyperlink icon. Click it, and here's the trick. Open your product page for the t-shirt you're featuring. Copy that URL and paste it into the hyperlink field. This creates a seamless bridge between your blog and your shop, so when readers get excited about your product, they're just one click away from making a purchase. If you want to add an excerpt, a short summary of your post, you can do so here. This is helpful because it gives visitors a quick preview, especially if you plan on sharing multiple blog posts on your main blog page. It can be as simple as 1 or 2 lines that tease the main topic. Take a moment to look at the search engine listing section. This is where you can optimize how your post appears in Google and other search engines. You don't have to spend hours here, but tweaking your meta title and description helps you attract more visitors. Think about what someone would search for when looking for t-shirt trends or clothing inspiration, and include keywords naturally. Ensure the blog post is set to visible. This might seem basic, but it's easy to overlook, especially if you've been editing and previewing drafts. Only visible posts show up for your visitors, so double-check before moving on. Add a compelling image. Visuals make your blog posts more engaging. Think of it like setting the scene for a good story. Whether it's a product shot of your best-selling t-shirt or a lifestyle photo, pick something that represents your brand. Upload it, and you're all set for the post itself. Go ahead and click Save. That's your post done. But now let's make it easily discoverable. From your dashboard, head over to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize, and navigate to your header or main menu section. Here, you'll want to edit the links and add a new menu item for your blog. Give it a name like Fashion Blog or Style Stories. Link it directly to your blog post page. This simple menu addition makes it super easy for visitors to find your blog instead of hunting around for it. Once you're finished, hit Save, then preview your storefront. Take a look at your blog in action and make sure everything is flowing smoothly. If something's off, don't sweat it. You can always tweak and adjust as you go. And there you have it. You've just created a branded blog on Shopify, linked your products, and made it easily accessible for your customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or get stuck along the way, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.